Why do we snore? Spoiler, it's not just annoying, it's science. Snoring is like a chainsaw in your bed, except it's free and no one asked for it. But why do we do it? Let's dive in. Here's the deal. Snoring happens when your throat decides to throw a karaoke party in the middle of the night. Your airway vibrates and boom, you're a human lawnmower. But here's the kicker. It's not your fault. Blame your anatomy, your allergies, or that extra slice of pizza before bed. Your body's just being dramatic. Oh, and let's not forget the sound effects. The snort, the wheeze, the oh my gosh, are they dying? It's like a symphony of sleep chaos. Want to stop snoring? Try sleeping on your side, losing weight, or just duct taping your mouth shut. Kidding, mostly. So, what's your snoring horror story? Let me know below, unless you're too busy snoring right now.